The global economy is now data-driven, and it is growing in an unprecedented way on the business and social space, so much that there's apprehension about the abuse and misuse of personal information in public space. Rest assured, Nigerians can now heave a sigh of relief as they are now fully protected with the signing of the Data Protection Act 2022 by President Bola Tinubu on June 12, 2023. For now, the Nigeria Data Protection Commission is saddled with the responsibility of creating awareness regarding the rights of individuals to control and protect their personal information in the interconnected world, conduct investigations, and mete out penalties for violators.
There's a lot of countries now where you don't have your data protection law, and your data protection supervisory authority, they don't want to do business with you. With this law, we'll be able to cross that stage. That the average investor coming to Nigeria, we know that we have a law. We have an independent DPA, the Data Protection Authority, that if there's any case, there's any breach of your personal data, you have somewhere to go, and you have a law to guide that. So it's a major milestone for us in Nigeria. More importantly, that the current administration is trying to use emerging technologies to drive sustainable development, and a lot of the campaign agenda of the government.
Aside increasing foreign direct investment coming into place of the Data Protection Act will repose the confidence of investors, knowing full well that there are workable legal frameworks on ground to protect them and their businesses.
It seeks to protect individuals. It seeks also to protect even children who cannot ordinarily give legitimate consent on how you can get and use their own data. On very serious issues, there could also be criminal consequences where defaulters could be prosecuted, arraigned, and then could be also be sent to jail.
People won't be able to steal your identity. Your personal data, for instance, is like a key for you in the digital space. You want to get your passport, you want to get your driver's license, you want to communicate, you want to go online. Your identity is your key. So if this identity is not protected, how are you going to secure your digital assets?
And for the responsibility of the data controller and president to register with them, because if you can't count them, if you don't know them, how do you really regulate them? So we need to have a number, those that we can capture within the ecosystem. We need to monitor what they are doing and probably regulate how they process data.
The Nigeria Data Protection Commission, headed by Vincent Olatunji as the National Commissioner, had earlier put together a capacity-building workshop on data protection and privacy for journalists. Adetola Kayode, TV News.